We continue, and this time we are going to integrate the door. We are going to integrate also 2 doors at this level and also the 2 windows. I go on 3D warehouse. And I'm going to tap door. And for example, for the main door, I can take this So I incorporate the door at this level, and I'm going to create a rotation. So to create a rotation, as we seen previously, I take rotate tool. I'm going to select this part, this point, so blue X. I take this point, and I'm going to turn maybe in this direction, and I'm going to turn off 90 degrees like this. Then I'm going to use scale tool to reduce, and now I can incorporate this on the entrance. Now here the thing that you can do is to take eraser tool and to erase just this part. Then I take move tool, and I'm going to choose an angle. This angle, I take this angle and I go here. Then I select scale tool, and I'm going to change the size. Like this on edge, and also like this on edge. And after I can improve also like that, and I can pull from this point, like this. So it's okay for the main door. Now we are going to incorporate the 2 doors inside. I go on 3D warehouse. And I'm going to tap door again. And this time it's indoor door. So in this example, I'm going to take, for example, this door. And I download this in my document. Download, yes. And so then I'm going to place the door, or first to place the door here, and to make a rotation. Rotation tool, blue X, like this, and you take this part and you can turn for 90 degrees. Then I'm going to go at this level to take a print. First, here also I can erase this part. And I'm going to take, or why not to erase also this part, and here at this level I can also erase this part and this part. Then I take the component, first scale tool, and I reduce like this. Then I take a print, for example this print, and I'm going to place this to the end print, like that. Then scale tool, and I can take this print on edge, and I take this print also on edge. Then I can turn, and I can go here and to check and to go also on edge with this print. Now here I move just little, I'm going to check something. So now I'm okay for that. I'm going to duplicate the door. If you want to duplicate the door, you take Move tool and you choose an endpoint, and after you click on the endpoint, you click on Control on your keyboard and you can duplicate your component. Then I'm going to place the component, for example, here first. Then I'm going to create a rotation, blue X like this, here to here, and I'm going to turn off 1 meter 80 or 180 like this. Then I just need to take the Move tool to select the angle at this level, to take this. So it's exactly the same size, so I don't need to use the scale tool. I just need to go on the angle here and to place. Like that. So it's okay for these two doors. Now I'm going to add the windows. I go on 3D warehouse. And on 3D warehouse, I'm going to type window and I'm going to select, I think, this window. I'm just going to check if I have something different also. I'm going to type wood window just to have an idea. And for example, I'm going to select this basic wood window. So I take that and I'm going to download inside my document. Like this, I take the window here and after I'm going to resize first, like this. And after I take Move tool and I'm going to take an endpoint. And on this endpoint, I go here. Then I take Scale tool, and first I'm going to go on this point to an edge, and also this point on edge, like this. I'm going to go on this side, and for example, I can take this point and to pull a little also. Why not like this? Then I'm going to duplicate this shape to incorporate also on the right. It's not exactly the same size, so I need to scale after. So I take Move tool, I select an endpoint, I click on Control on the keyboard, and I duplicate like this. And for example, I can place, first I can place here, then Scale tool, and I can reduce just the size like this. Then I can take Move tool, I can take this angle and to place here. And again, Scale tool, and I'm going to take this middle point on edge, like this. So it's okay for that. We have incorporated the main door, we have incorporated the two inside door, and also we have at this level the two windows.